Once upon a Coozeberry morn, deep in the colossal Kaiju forest, Professor Squirrel frizzled and zozzled in the moon cheese sandwich factory. Doozy-dawn, he giggled, flipping moon pancakes with his amber-swirl tail. Anyone passing by would wobble with happiness watching him. He'd whip together moon cheese, sweet cloudberry jam of giggling clouds, and laughing lettuce into fantastic, tumbling sandwiches that tasted like sunrise and cherry smiles. Setting the Magic Clock-a-doodle, he was always disciplined, even in his silly sandwich lab, because being organized meant more fun and minimal whoopsy-daisy. One day, a hippo spaceship with a big tooth held up a white flag. It was Reggie from the planet Chomp-a-lot, who had heard about these delicious, smart-sounding sandwiches that magically reset tastebuds to love healthy food. But Reggie had landed a tad roughly, shattering the Magic Clock-a-doodle. Now, how would the professor know when to turn off the sandwich fountain? They might overflow the forest with sandwiches. The singing fox, the tickling trout, even the whispering willows would be buried. And the magical bedtime jokes of sleepy stars would be unheard, making all the creatures in the forest stay awake. This would not do. Using kindness spells, Professor Squirrel quickly summoned his forest friends. Together, they worked like a melodious jungle orchestra. The towering elephant crafted a new clock with his laughing trunk. The whispering willows held up the sandwiches, and the bunny climbers set it right up the cheese mountain. The job was done just in time, with the stars twiddling out their first joke. Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. Quote, success tasted deliciously cheesy. They all celebrated with moon cheese sandwiches and helped Reggie load his spaceship with them. Imagine the surprise of the Chomp-a-lot aliens when they fell in love with veggies overnight. From then on, every creature, every alien visitor, and even the mischievous wind respected the magical food-making process by hugging the tall talking trees to whisper their sandwich orders. In this harmonious humdrum, Professor Squirrel's laughter echoed, teaching all around that though our world can be wild and wacky, there's nothing a bit of discipline, teamwork, sharing, kindness, respect, curiosity, and moshi magical problem solving can't fix. And oh, chuckling clouds and jolly stars always get the last laugh.